Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a YouTube banner on Canva. And by the way, your YouTube banner is this section on your YouTube channel. Now to do this, all you'll need to do, the first thing I want you to do once on your YouTube channel, which you can access once you're on youtube.com, you'll tap on your profile pic in the top right hand corner. Then you'll select your channel and you'll be redirected to this page. Once on your channel, what I want you to do, you're going to simply tap on your current YouTube channel banner, or you can tap on the camera icon in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that, it is going to open up a new tab. In this new tab, you're going to see two options. For example, you can change your profile pic and you will also see banner image. You can see the pixels size for the banner image. So next, we're going to go onto Canva. Once on Canva, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on custom size. After selecting custom size, you're going to select the size dimension that you see right here, 2048 by 1152. So let's do that real quick. 2048 by 1152, and you'll want to ensure that it has selected PX, as you can see right there. Let me double check if that is the size, as you can see there. Then you're going to tap on create new design. After you have tapped on create new design, it will redirect you to a new page, as you can see here. And all you'll need to do now, you can go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you could upload a new image that you'd like to add as your banner, or you could go over to the left hand menu option again, and from there you could tap on search templates, and from here you could simply type in YouTube banners, then tap on YouTube banners, and you will see numerous templates that you can choose from. So all you'll need to do is simply scroll down and you can select a template of your liking. So for example, let's say I were to select this template. All I would have to do is simply tap on it. Then you can see it right here. And from here, I could make the changes that I want. So for example, let's say I will change the name right here. So I'm going to change the name to Dose of Wisdom. Let me do that real quick. After you have changed the name, you can remove any section you want. So let's say, for example, I would like to remove this section. All you have to do is select the section, then tap on the trash can. You can also change the profile image right here. So I could go over to the left hand menu option once more, and I could select an image by simply tapping on elements. Then from there, I could simply type in whatever I would like to add as the image. So let's say, for example, man, I'll just select a random image right here. Then you could tap on see all for photos. Then I could scroll down once I've found an image that I like. So let's say, for example, this image, you can simply drag and replace it, as you can see right there. Once everything is to your liking, you can also change the background if you want by simply tapping on the background. From there, if you would like to change the image or to edit the image, if you would like to add a background color, you could tap on background color and you could choose the background color that you would like to use. Now, if I would like to change the background image, all I'll have to do is simply tap on elements. Then from here, I could simply type in Dex, just for example's sake. So I'll type index. Then you can see the different photos that I can use. I'll tap on see all. Once I've done that, I'll simply scroll down until I see one of my liking. So let's say, for example, this one. I'll simply tap on it. Then I can drag and place it right here, anywhere on the canvas. Then you'll simply right click on the image and you're going to tap on replace background. And you can see it has now replaced the background. Now that I've done that, I'm going to change the color of the text by simply tapping on the text box. Then I'm going to change the color of the text. Let's say I were to change the color to black. I can do that. I'll simply select the entire text, then tap on black. So that has changed the color of the text, as you can see right there. Now I'll tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then scroll down, tap on download. Then you're going to tap on download once more. Once it has been downloaded, all you'll need to do now, you're going to go back onto YouTube, and then you're going to tap on change. After you have tapped on change, from here you're going to select the download that you have created, then tap on open. Then you can see it right here. So you can see that this will be entirely viewable on TV, and you can see this will be viewable on all devices, and then this section will be viewable on desktop, as you can see right there. So you can see the different options. Then you will tap on done, and that's it. Then you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and it will now be live. The changes will now be live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.